Yo, what's up everybody? We did it! We got to 2,000 plus subs. Thank you so much to everybody who has supported the channel and helped us out. We have grown exponentially over the last 6 months. So thank you guys again so much. I really, truly appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy the Emote tutorials, the Fortnite live streams, and the dance classes that we do each week. I'm gonna get to that in a second. So welcome back to another Fortnite Emote tutorial series, guys. My name is Henschel, and I am your online dance professor. I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today, you're gonna be learning the Fortnite emote, Chicken Wing It. This emote is hilarious, it's funny, I really dig it, and it's definitely gonna be my sweat emote that I do every time I eliminate somebody. So, glad you guys are here to learn it, but before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit those noties so you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on the live streams. I have a free hip hop class that's available for everybody 3 days a week. I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description box below. And don't forget, next time you're in the item shop, use code DanceProfessor with 1S. Okay, hook up your boys, support the channel, super appreciate it. All right, you guys ready to learn this emote? Let's hit it. All right, y'all, I turned around the space so you get to actually see a little bit more of the studio instead of just the wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna face the back right here so that you don't have to worry about reversing anything, okay? Now, if you wanna do the beginning part, which is that little hoedown, I'll show you that in a second. I start dancing with the skin once that beat drops in, okay? But if you wanna do the little hoedown in the beginning, it's gonna look like this. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna push down 2 times to the right, and you're gonna go da-da-da-da, 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 you're gonna go dot, flick, okay? So you're just gonna push your arms down 2 times each side. You kind of turn your heel as you do it, okay? Kind of really just, you know, super chill, super easy, okay? Have fun with it, that's what it's meant to be. It's just meant to be a fun emo. So again, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go da-da-da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da, flick. Now from here, you're gonna start on your left leg, okay? So let's just do the feet. It's gonna go like this, okay? You're gonna kick, you're gonna cross, you're gonna kick, go down. Kick, cross, kick, go down. Kick, cross, kick, down. Kick, cross, kick, down. And each time you kick, you wanna think about scuffing the floor. So you wanna scuff the floor, you cross it, you kick, you come back down. You scuff the floor, you cross it, you kick, you come down. Now you gotta put a little bounce in there, okay? 5, 6, 7, go. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. What your hands are gonna do is your hands are gonna push down. So they're just gonna bounce like this. So just take your fists, put them together by your side, and you're gonna use your shoulders to move your arms like that, okay? So, you know, it's simple, but you're not using your hands, you know what I'm saying? You wanna just use your shoulders because that's what keeps it chill and gives you that little swaggy vibe right there, okay? Then you just cross it, and cross it, and cross it, just like that. If I face the front, it's gonna look like this. 7, 8, you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you need to, pause the video, go back and rewind that, and do that a whole bunch more times so you get it, because there is a coordination between your bounces, everything's gotta go down, and your kicks. Okay, I'll show it one more time. Try to get that coordination of your arms going down as you kick. Boom. And it's all on that downbeat. So it's boom, 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 boom. So when you kick, you go straight into that cross right away. Ready? Try it like this. 5, 6, 7, boom. You got it. Boom, 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 boom. Now from here, you're gonna take your left hand, you're gonna slam it down. You're gonna go left hand, right hand on top, okay? Feet are together, you just go left hand, right hand, okay? Now, after you do that, boom, boom, you're gonna take a step up. Your arms are gonna go to your right shoulder, you're gonna step forward, you're gonna go dig. You're gonna go to the left shoulder, and you're gonna go dig. I like to think of having a shovel, okay? You go, I'll reverse it for you. You go boom, boom, okay? You lift up that leg like this, you got a shovel, you're gonna dig. You're gonna bring it back to the other side of the shoulder, you're gonna dig, okay? Facing the correct way, we go left, right, and dig, dig. From here, you're gonna go left, right with your arms. Those are waves that you do, okay? If you want to break down a wave, super simple. You go shoulder, you go elbow, you go wrist, you go high. When you're doing it continuously through your body, you just roll each joint at a time. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go side to side with it. So it's going to go boom, boom, like that, okay? And it's subtle. We're not making it super, super big. It's not like you're out here, you know, waving it out and getting down, okay? None of that. Just, okay? Keep it simple, keep it easy. But use your shoulder first. The shoulder is what activates the wave. Activates the wave. Do it together, and it's going to go like that, okay? Super, super subtle again. Your left foot's kind of front. You're going to go boom, boom. You bring your hand up, you bring it down. You start again. You're gonna go cross, kick, cross, and cross, and cross, and go left, right, dig, dig, go left, right, go hit, hit, and across, and across, and across, and across, go hit, hit, dig, dig, left, right, and boom, boom. That hand just kind of comes up here and down, okay? So you got two little spots. You're gonna hit up here by your face, and then you're gonna hit down here. And then it just repeats. Boom, 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 ta, 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 ta. I don't think I reversed it just now, but anyways, if you face this way and you need to, go back, pause it, rewind it, do it a whole bunch more times until you get used to it. And then do it with the music and do it with the skin a whole bunch of times, because with this one, there's a little bit more of that swag and that vibe to it. It's funny, but it's still got swag. So you want to be able to have both those combinations in there, okay? But if you guys are good to go, let's go ahead, let's put on the music, let's do it with me and the skin. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And boom, there you go, guys. That's how you do the Fortnite chicken wing it emote. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know other emote tutorials you want me to do. And let me know if there's TikTok tutorials or some other dance stuff you want me to do. I am the GOAT. I can do anything and I can teach you how to do anything. So let me know and I will make it happen. Until then, I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.